you're probably not going to be able to pull it out. You're probably going to need a damn steering wheel puller, which Dana has.
No, I just need to take out these screws.
Screws in there?
Yeah, I need bigger fucking... We need a bigger...
screwdriver?
Yeah.
So you're going to need a steering wheel puller, too. Usually has 2 bolts. That's weird.
So we got Wyatt on the camera. Nick doing the work.
The Grant.
A racing one.
A Grant racing wheel.
What, your video or something?
Well, Nick wants me to.
Hell yeah, dude.
For his vlog. CB radio.
There we go.
Wiring looks like a mess, but it's not that big of a mess. It's a grappling hook.
Shit, dude. That's supposed to sit on top of it like that. But, hold on. So Dana, which one of these pullers do we need to use? I don't know.
So we got this off.
With the puller of steering wheel?
Now we put the smaller one on so I can see over the steering wheel.
Line's the same? Yeah.
Oh, cholo.
Boom. Badass. Where's the spacer? Boom. And then shabang.
Getting her done.
You put the little bolt on. Okay, where's the... Oh, socket wrench is in my truck.
Now we walk over here. No. Piece of shit truck. My truck's a whole lot better. I mean, at least it's a power wagon. A wagon of the power.
So I'm putting his 15 in my truck.
What do you got?
A 15, but I don't have any of the inside, so I'm taking to Wyatt so I can have his. And you tighten this shit. Might be a little tight. Just a bit. It's right there on the top. Doesn't move though. I'm gonna start your truck right quick.
Do it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let off. There you go. Now it'll start. Maybe. Just keep cranking it.
Are we at the full turn?
You can't hear the power pump, the power steering pump?
That needs to be loosened a little bit.
Loosen it then. Your battery is at 15%. It's la Nemesis. My newest toy. Oh fuck yeah. Slut.
Dan says it's gonna wear a little bit, or it's gonna sit, it's gonna rub until it wears down.
Yeah.
See, your other one didn't have that sleeve on it.
Ooh, chulo. That shit's hard as fuck to turn now.
Not really.
It's like stuck.
It's just because it's rubbing right there.
Yeah. Hell, if anything, I'll get a file and file that bitch down. Oh, it's already filing itself down.
Yeah.
GT Grant.
Shaboom.
Now you're not gonna be able to get it out.
There you are. Take these out.
Well, that